at the end of the, yeah, exam. And we can use the table and find this Laplace inverse from this table.
This is it.
This is it.
Yeah.
And Carl, which one question?
Anh tiền rồi.
Tại vì anh không có.
I'm okay. I remember. I just remember it.
You don't want to do it from the beginning?
I do it. Yeah. Okay.
Are you tired? You tired or not?
Yeah. But if you wanna any question, I can answer.
Yeah, this linearity is a different right. Are we supposed to, we add them, right? So how do we add this? He said to add them. How do we add this? just add them and then just write them. Yeah, he said just write it like that and then add them.
No, this is one of the case. It is for a linearity. One of the case.
The only way it can be one. The only way it can be one is this guy is prime. The only way it can be one is prime. So that is this way. Now I'm writing start the table. You know when you count, really. This is efficient. This is your test, right? This is it the first one? That first one, right? Is it number one?
No, this is number 6.
Number 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the water about this one is.
So you read this which of them? Let me see.
It is about the linearity.
Is this the last one, Professor Trika?
Okay, this what do they call time invariant and
Time invariant, yeah.
For a
Linearity.
linearity,
Yeah.
we have to consider two conditions.
two conditions, yes.
One of them is if we have a two input, U1 and U2, and we have Y1 and Y2 output, okay?
What is that? Say?
So many demons over there.
Somebody,
Yeah, so many demons over there.
somebody over there. No, no,
It
that guy
sounded
left.
like a demon.
He left?
No, the guy left.
Open it? No.
I said that.
No.
No, open it.
Oh.
How are you going to do? How are you going to do? Yeah,
Are you possessed?
yeah.
He's
That's
possessed.
another thing. Maybe they enter from the other side.
Something exciting.
So, yeah, what we.
So of the input, sum that, and we have the output, the sum, both of them. And I call it A. And if both of them equal to each other, we have one condition for a linearity. Okay?
Yeah.
And about the two conditions, if we have one input and multiple with the
This
alpha
is the
one.
input, right? U1, right?
Yeah.
U1, U2.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes this guy is always confused. I think you're writing A.
Yeah.
Even this guy can still
Yeah.
okay. You, the other inputs. Okay. 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 Go.
And if you have a input and multiple with the alpha,
Mm.
we have a alpha output.
Okay.
Okay? Alpha input, alpha output. And if you, after you have an output, multiple with the alpha, if you have the same answer, you can say the
Condition 2.
condition 2 is correct.
Okay. Okay.
So, after that, this system is linear.
Linear.
So, the question, yeah,
Okay, that's why you say the linearity has two conditions.
yeah,
Okay.
and it is this condition. And the question is this, the minus 2 3 prime and y2
Yeah.
is a u, okay?
Okay.
So,
The first y,
for a first condition,
that's what I'm saying, that's minus 2y double prime. Double prime.
it's a
Yeah.
double,
Okay.
it's a double,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
So, for a condition, A1, A2, we have a minus 2, V1, V2, 3,
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
The last one equal to what? U1 plus U2.
so it is the one, it is the A,
A.
it is
Okay.
this,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
For another one, U1, 2, prime 1, 3, prime 1, U1, okay?
Okay.
For a U2, we have a minus 2, prime 2, 3, prime 2, and y2, and U2. And after that, if we consider both of them, we have 2 minus 2. Okay?
Okay.
If
That is what?
sum,
This
Sum,
one makes
okay,
sense.
okay,
sum,
okay. Okay.
so it is B. We can see the A and B and A is equal, okay?
Okay.
The
Equal to B.
first
A is
condition
equal to
is
B.
correct,
Mm. Is equal to B.
yeah. A and B equal, so the first
so it's linear.
So two conditions, right? Either
Yes,
one.
no, if, for linearity, for you to test if the system is linear, you have to set it into two conditions.
Two conditions, yeah.
So that two condition is what we call the condition 1A, we call the condition A, second to B. So
Okay.
now, and that condition states that once A equal to B, means that it's linear.
Okay,
that's-
so
that's the
condition A,
proof,
yeah,
yeah, that's the
okay.
proof, yeah.
Yeah. So, for a second condition, it's easy.
But
You
do we
can
need to,
consider
if you are solving it in exam and you already find out that A equal to B, do you need to go into second condition? Do you still need to go into second condition?
Yeah, you have to.
Because you have already solved the problem by finding out it's linear. So do you still need to go into second condition? Since it's two condition and the question says find if they are linear, and you have set it into the first condition to
So-
find out that it's linear.
So what's
You
the
still
name?
need to go, it's better you,
Oh,
this one is okay
I
now.
think this one,
No,
just
no,
first
no.
condition.
We-
You have to
we
prove
we
second
have-
condition.
Yeah, we have.
This is
to
only first
write
condition.
Both of the conditions.
What's the condition?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one only first.
For the second condition.
No.
So what will the second condition give you? What will it show you?
Second
So what
condition
of
is-
this?
So about the
So-
second one.
so
About
this
the
is the
second
first
It is-
one.
It is the first
This
one.
one is the second one here.
It is the second.
Yeah.
Okay, but when we were solving it, did we solve it last time? Did we test the two conditions? Did you? I don't think we solved this one.
Yeah, in this class, just solve the one condition.
One condition, right?
Yeah.
We solved one condition.
Yeah, Dr. Trika solved the one
You
condition.
say we should solve the other one. Did you say we should solve the other one? That's what I'm asking. You see what? That's what I'm asking.
Yes,
the
you can
question.
help us to do
But
second
do the
condition.
thing. No, I'm happy you are doing it, but that's why I asked the question.
Yeah.
Because the question says, is it linear? So since you have already find linear, but my mind is telling me that the second condition will also be linear.
Yeah.
Try, let's see.
Yeah.
My mind is telling me that
You
second
try to
condition will
make
be
it-
linear.
Yeah.
Sam, you understand what we're asking?
Second condition.
You know, this
Oh.
question was,
Yeah.
the question was to find out if
So
the
let's
system
take
is
picture,
linear.
let's take picture before.
So
we
before
do
you
it.
to find out the linear, if it's linear, the
Yeah.
linearity, you need to test it into two conditions.
And for
So-
second condition, it is very easy.
Second
because-
condition is very easy.
Yeah, because it is the y. You can consider this y.
Why?
And after we have a y, I can multiply with the alpha.
Alpha, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And it is the alpha.
Alpha.
So,
Okay, that's the second condition.
so-
I think we did second condition with Dr.
and wait a
Chuka.
minute, wait a
Yeah.
minute. And this is equal
Yeah.
if you input alpha u2.
You too.
Today.
You know, this is alpha u, alpha y, alpha, and it is the equal. Both of them is equal.
We did,
Has to be.
I can.
we did
Yeah.
Sumaya, Dr. Chuka did the two conditions. But he did not state it long. All he just do it in 2 or 3 lines.
Yeah.
Because the second one he multiplied with alpha.
Yeah,
Chelsea, you remember, right?
Yeah.
Second one he multiplied with alpha.
Yeah, I think he combined both of the
Condition,
in
yeah,
one.
yes, I noticed that we multiply
Yeah.
with alpha.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is the alpha y. You have 2 alpha.
Anh làm cái kiểu như vậy anh làm cái nó khó lắm.
Cái này
Nếu như anh muốn làm như vậy thì anh làm. Em với bé kia làm cái kiểu này. Ông chỉ muốn như vậy thôi. Áp như vậy.
cái đầu tiên đâu.
Đó.
Alpha u. Okay.
Ghế nè, ghế nè.
It is the A. It is the B.
Okay.
This one. Cái này là-
That second condition is the B, right?
Yeah.
Cái này á.
It is the B.
Okay.
And if you input the alpha u2,
Then mình cái này chứ.
u, you have a
Cái chụp anh
minus
ạ.
2 alpha y prime,
À, quay. Phải copy cái không
3
để nó.
alpha
Phải copy
prime, alpha right here,
copy cái này.
and alpha u2 is I, and A equal B. So the second condition is correct. Is true.
Is it equal, right?
So this is the
Is it equal?
yeah. This is the
I think where,
you can combine it.
Combine
and,
it.
yeah, and it is.
Yeah.
I think it's a similar.
yeah. See our picture samples.
Which visa?
You were, okay, you're here now, right? You're here. You're here, in the group. You have to. Yeah.
Oh, man.
That was English.
You know?
Very bright.
Yeah, eh?
Very clear.
Mai mấy giờ lên?
Yeah.
Mai 10 giờ lên đi. Lên
This
sớm
is
thì
from
cũng
the
được.
night.
Ok.
We need to.
Lên sớm mai quay về sớm 4 giờ.
Right.
Yeah, you miss a tea. Oh, because you, okay, yeah, because you say they're missing over there. Bơm nào là từ đầu không?
Is there
any
question about
Là phải từ đầu không?
Còn cái gì đâu? Nó
The
cần đâu đâu.
last day when
Huh?
Đừng có đi trong
we didn't come, yeah, yes, over
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
Can do it.
yeah.
Which one?
The last.
Wait, để nào. Đây 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 em copy.
Copy.